thick. And you can turn it over. It ain't coming out. So there's Oreo. It does taste like almost like a hot chocolate. So it's like hot chocolate in it also. I haven't been to Dairy Queen in years. I forgot how good their ice cream is. It's pretty good. Yeah. I'll definitely be back for this. Some of their gravy. Fry it with some ranch. And there's a slight little, very slight kick to it. But overall they're not really spicy at all. Yeah, the tenders was just okay for me, but this Blizzard, definitely check out this Oreo Cocoa